Roll.
Sanjukta, tell us a little about your works.
Well, my works, I'm basically a nature painter. I'm drawn to nature, and my paintings, I want to, tell the world that nature's so beautiful. Let's not destroy it. Let's not bring in so much of concretization. And development is good for the humanity, but at the same time we should maintain and see that we don't destroy nature. And my colors are, most of the colors I use are vibrant colors, because from that I try to show how beautiful nature is. So that is one of the aspects of my life. The second aspect is I also want to bring out to the world that through concrete jungles and destruction of trees, plants, we are actually inviting a lot of diseases, cancer being one of these diseases. The whole idea of this show is we have joined together, Anita from CPA and myself as an artist. We are doing the show to raise funds for children who are suffering from cancer. And whatever comes out of this, like I appeal to people to come and buy and so that we can support the children who are battling cancer.
Anita, how does it feel having such beautiful works? She's painted the colors of life for the children.
I think I'll go into that, but before that, I just want to say that Cancer Patients Aid Association is a voluntary organization that's been working in the field of cancer for the last 53 years. Being an NGO, we don't have government funds, and there comes in people like Sanjukta, Arun, who come forward and say that hey, what can I do for the cause, and really means a lot to us. I think this is the second exhibition that she's having. The first we had in 2019. The fund that was raised at that time was used to support around 20 children suffering from cancer. And we hope that the exhibition after the pandemic is the most important thing for us. And as I would say that Sanjukta, it's not just about art that she supports towards the cause of cancer. Whenever there's a need, be it organizing cancer screening camps or any support that's needed for children with cancer, she's always there. I'm sure this exhibition today would help us raise lots of funds. we've tried our best to reach out to people, and I'm sure when we have media, PR like Anushka, who's always there to support our cause, I'm sure we'll be able to reach out to a larger crowd, and just hope and pray that exhibitions, there's a good sale that comes out from this exhibition.
You're also getting the children to come and paint with you. So tell us about that.
See, I think it is more like a day for the children, day out for the children. It's a day when they are going to be relaxing. They will be painting in the gallery. Then they will have a little magic show for them. So it's like something for them to just forget their pain and the things that they go through during the treatment. So the whole idea of having them come, sit down, relax, enjoy, laugh and play, that's the whole idea. And at the end of the day, they get a good snack to eat and a certificate to go back with.
Also, to add to that, we know that art heals. So most of the children, they go through the treatment from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is the only day they're off treatment. So you understand the journey of the treatment and the pain and trauma that they go through. So something that, an idea that Sanjukta has come up, let's do art because art heals. And that's what we are planning to do on the 3rd of December.
It's normally said that when cancer kids get hope, then the effect of the treatments become more, and even terminally ill children, their life is prolonged or they beat the illness.
Yes.
So do you feel more such initiatives like how Sanjukta is doing makes a difference? And from you, Sanjukta, I want to know after that, how does it feel when you actually do it? First time.
There are no words to describe. No money can buy the happiness that we get after being with those children and seeing their happiness, their smile on their faces. I think no money can buy that kind of satisfaction and happiness. So yeah, it is something I think I will do again and again and again.
How do you tell me about it?
So when patients come to us, the first thing they look at is financial support or any support that they need to complete the treatment. And we believe that anyone who reaches out should not go empty-handed. We see that the patient completes the treatment, and that's when such initiatives help us raise money. So really thankful to Sanjukta that she comes forward to do this, and it's a great initiative. And I hope that more artists would come forward and do this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
For inviting me to be here today. Right? And I should say one thing, that I'm only a diplomat, I'm not an artist, I'm not a painter, right? So my knowledge about painting is very limited. But still, with my little common sense, the way I look at it, I see a couple of, 2-3 messages, in the entire show. One is, even Sanjukta, gave me a hint saying that she was focusing more on the environmental issues and also the environmental issue which create, damages onto the nature. Now I know that, once you look at these paintings, because as a diplomat, if we have to write a report on environmental issues, we may have to use around 1,500 to 2,000 words here. But here, she is putting everything, all those messages in a canvas, in a piece of canvas, right? And that is amazing. And I should say that not only the environmental issue, there are another, if you look at the invitation thing, this is also for a noble cause. That is mobilization of fund, for the cancer affected children. Right? So two noble causes are combined together. So anyway, congratulations, and I wish Sanjukta all the best in all her future noble causes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, how do you feel about Sanjukta Arun's exhibition today?
Yeah, I've been knowing Sanjukta Barik since many years. I've been watching the works, the previous works also, and there's a lot of evolution in her work. She's been more concentrating on landscapes and all those things, and she really captured the landscape within her painting. The colors and all those things is her own creation, and that is what the artist counts. One has to have his own identity, one has to have his own signature, and this is what you see in her paintings. I wish her all the best for the exhibition.
Sir, how do you feel about the exhibition being for cancer children?
So that is a wonderful idea, especially Sanjukta Parekh is very, as I know her, she's a very good human being. And she's been doing a lot of charity work. She's been really working hard for poor people. She's been really working hard for so many other organizations and all those things. Especially for the cancer patients and all those things. She's been exhibited these works, and I must really congratulate for her and wish her a success.
Thank you, sir.
I'm thrilled and elated because Sanjukta is the part of CPAA. For years she has been helping us, and she's not my most favorite artist, but she's a woman of a large heart. And so far as I am concerned, and she's our family. And our house is full of things by her. So I love her so much. I can't say I'm grateful. And I'll see you all more.
Yeah, so we do think that it's a fabulous initiative because we need people to join us to be able to do more of what we are already doing. So when we have artists like Sanjukta and anyone else who collaborates with us, it not only helps us in funding but also joins like-minded people. They come up with newer ideas, newer initiatives to run to look for different fundraising programs, etc. So we are very grateful to Sanjukta. Like he said, we've been working with her since last several years. And we are really lucky that she's doing or dedicating her solo exhibition to us. And we are very, very grateful to her. Thank you so much.
Will you tell us about our association, which goes back to 1992?
Yes. Mr. Sapru has been working for cancer children since decades. I had the privilege of interviewing him in 1993 for Sunday Midday. I think you still look as handsome as ever, sir.
Thank you.
And Bolo 23, we're going to do a lot of events together.
Yes. The future holds a very beautiful time, sir. We will do a lot of work together. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He's supporting this new cause in cancer. Suffer from cancer but do not have enough medical aid, or the parents do not have enough money to support their children. So I really am very grateful and proud of Samyukta to be doing this to help the Indian Cancer Aid Association.
So you come and helping the cancer patients. How does it feel like? How do I feel for any cause of that?
Oh, it's a very, it's a cause which one should, or not only this, but any cause, one should always support these, because ultimately this is what gives you the maximum pleasure. You feel so fulfilled when you help another child in need who really needs to be treated, and once the child gets well, you can see that smile on his face, which will be truly unforgettable. That is what the real happiness is, when you help someone or for treatment of cancer. And I really thank Sanjukta for supporting this cause and donating the proceeds of her benefits to these children. Thank you.
Sanjukta, how does it feel having Rupaji here? She's always been supporting all your initiatives.
Yes. Rupaji is a strong support for all women who want to do something in life, who want to come out of their shell. She's always having initiatives for small scale, medium scale, beginners, and she guides them, she supports them, and makes a huge difference.
How does it feel, ma'am, looking at Sanjukta's beautiful works today and the cause she supports?
You know, I feel that art is the best way to reach out to everybody in this world. You know, and it connects people from across different cultures. How many of them would love to have this painting in their homes because it depicts happiness, color, and it will bring so much of beauty in your own drawing rooms or living room or wherever you put it. So it is just through art that you can reach out to so many people in the world. And this thing that Sanjukta is doing, not only is she promoting artists, but she promotes artists from across the world, which is something which I would like to really appreciate and encourage her, because bringing artists from different countries, regions, even small parts of the world, and she has encouraged everybody to be a part of her journey and reaching out to the world, which I think will take her art across every place in the world. And every artist will remember her contribution that she has done towards making their art popular.
What about CPA? How do you feel about supporting cancer children?
This is something that everybody should support. Cancer patients, CPA is also a wonderful initiative. And I think that whatever work they are doing it cannot be counted. I can't express in words what they do, but how many lives have they touched? That actually shows how much work they do, and they're doing it very silently. Their silence speaks volumes, and they have reached out to so many people who were suffering from this disease, and that is something which each one of us should try and help this association see.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Arun.
Namaste everyone.
How do you feel about the paintings, ma'am? How do you feel about Sanjukta ji's endeavor?
I think it's so beautiful because it's all related to nature. Once you look at the paintings, you can actually get lost in it because she's the way she's encapsulated all the colors of nature into each and every of her painting, and the cause is so wonderful. She's doing this in aid of cancer patients, especially the children who are suffering from cancer. So I think each and everyone must come to Nehru Center to see her wonderful work of art that she's done. And CPAA, we completely salute them for the wonderful work they've been doing for so many years. And I think it's a brilliant, brilliant occasion to be here, and I'm totally honored to be here.
Do you think initiatives like this make a difference to cancer patients?
Absolutely. Because when you are just doing an art exhibition itself, it gives you so much life, because that's what art does to you. But when you do art for a cause, I think it's absolutely brilliant and beautiful, because you're working to help and support the ones who need it, and you're being there for them, standing there for them. So I think that's the beauty. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So how do you feel about Sanjukta ji's initiative?
ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन संजुक्ता परीख एक नामी पेंटर है, और ये जो इनिशिएटिव उठाया है हेल्पिंग करने का कैंसर के पेशेंट को, एक बहुत ही बड़ा उमदा कार्य कर रही है। और ऐसे कार्य को हमेशा संजुक्ता जी ऐसे कार्य में आगे आती है, और वो हमें बहुत खुशी है कि वो हमारी एक इंडिया फाइन आर्ट काउंसिल की एक सेक्रेटरी भी है, और उन्होंने मुझे आज यहाँ इन्वाइट किया एक सुंदर कार्यक्रम में। मैं उनका बहुत बहुत उनका आभार।
कैंसर पेशेंट्स के लिए जैसे संयुक्ता जी का संयुक्ता जी कैंसर पेशेंट्स को हेल्प करते लोएस्ट कॉस्ट
बहुत ही बेहतरीन कार्य है। कैंसर के पेशेंट्स इंडिया के अंदर बहुत है, और ये संयुक्ता जी नहीं सिर्फ कैंसर के पेशेंट के लिए, बल्कि हर कार्य में, हर सपोर्टिव कार्य में हेल्प करने को आगे आती है। और खास करके कैंसर का जो एक रोग है, बहुत ही
बहुत ही खतरनाक बीमारी है, उसमें इस तरह की हेल्प करना, लो कॉस्ट में मेडिसिन देना, और एक बहुत बेहतरीन टीम के साथ हमने एसोसिएट किया है, कैंसर जो एसोसिएशन है, ये एक बहुत बेहतरीन काम कर रही है और हमारी उनको हमेशा शुभकामना रहेगी ऐसे कार्य में।
थैंक यू जी।
कौन शूट करेगा आपसे?
दोनों।
आप दोनों, मतलब तीनों की तरफ साथ में देखो।
सेंट्रल आप देखिए।
आप सेंटर देखिए कैमरे में।
ओके।
एक मिनट जस्ट वेट।
Ma'am, how do you feeling of Sanjukta's ma'am's work? How do you feel that?
Hello, I'm Kajal Gaitonde. I am a fellow artist. I'm Sanjukta's friend. That's how I came here to visit Nehru Center, the art gallery. And this is her catalog. It's a must-visit show which is running for 7 days for 1 week out here at Nehru Center, Worli at Lotus. You should definitely come and visit the show. Sanjukta is doing a lot for CBA, which is cancer patients. She also has a workshop coming up on the Saturday, on this coming Saturday, on the 3rd. So all of you should come for the workshop and see her indulge with little children who are actually suffering with disease. Yes.
What Sanjukta is helping the CPS to patients out this your help?
Yeah. So I support the cause as well, and as an artist, I do a lot of paintings. I display them at art galleries too. And here I had just come to, have quick bites with Sanjukta and to support her with this initiative of us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.